Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome back to another video. Sign up. Everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is an unboxing video. I've never done one like this before, so this will be my first one. Your girl ordered another wireless AirPods from Apple. This actually will be my third AirPods that I order, and I think this goes for, I want to say like $175 or $100 and something dollars a pop, and I'm not too happy about that. All right, so I know they have the new ones out, but I never really like how it look, and I kind of wanted the same ones that I had before. You can't hear the same way, the quality is great and everything, but this time I actually got it engraved, so I'm gonna unbox it with everyone for the very first time. So it's gonna be a surprise to you to see like what I put engraved on it, and a surprise for me because I haven't really seen it. Now your girl is a huge Apple fan. Lord God, with the next phone day. We need for showing her the phone. Let me go get it. Intermission, hold on. So everything that I own as far as electronics and stuff for the most part is Apple. I had this phone. This one, I have to go into settings because I don't remember what it is. So this is, this, I have the iPhone XS Max, which is still pretty good. I use this for my Jamaica number and I really like it. And when I had it, I had no issues with it or anything. I just really wanted the new one, but it's in good condition except for like on here you see that's just the screen protector. It crack up and thing, which is fine. That's what it's there for. And then the side of this kind of crack up a little bit, but that's what the cases are there for. But for the most part, it's pretty good. Not a dent, not a scratch. So like I said, I use this for my Jamaican number, and of course branding is everything, so I put my Jolifairehair sticker on the back here. The one I'm recording on is actually my brand new iPhone, which is the iPhone 12 Max Pro. I have the blue one. I absolutely love it. For me that create content, I think it's a great phone. I think this will be like my third video that I did for my YouTube channel on my phone. I usually have a different camera. I have the Canon G7X that I usually shoot my videos on, but trust me, praise to this iPhone. I love it. The camera quality is excellent. The video quality is excellent, and it's very versatile and thing, so I love it. I also got this for my birthday. I have the iMac, Air Mac. I don't remember what it is, but if you're an Apple kind of person, this is what I got. So I really like this one as well. Oh yeah, MacBook Air. I knew that. So this is my MacBook Air. I really like it. It's very, lightweight, sleek and everything. I could go around with it. The only thing that I would say that I don't like, and I put that in quotes because you could adjust it, is the fact that it doesn't have, or it does have an earphone jack, I think. And on the side, it doesn't have the, like the SD card, like if you edit and stuff like that. I didn't like that. So I actually bought an adapter to go with it. So, and the adapter has like, the slot for the SD card. So I also have another MacBook, which is this one. I have a MacBook Pro, which was my first Apple laptop, I should say. And this baby right here is a machine. I do all my editing. I do editing on this one too, but not so much. But this one I love. It's really fast. It has retina display. It's perfect. Has everything for photographers and videographers on it. I do use Adobe Premiere on here, and it has like all the jacks for like your USB, your jack for the lightning cables and everything. And over here we also have another USB jack, and we also have the slot right here for the SD card, which I really like. What I was saying before is this, so this one, you see that it doesn't have the jacks, but here's the adapter that I bought. Actually didn't even open it yet because I still edit for the most part on the bigger laptop. And actually I saw Tananya with this, and I had edited a video on my laptop, the little laptop, and I needed an adapter and I borrowed hers. She actually has the same one. I haven't used it, so I haven't opened it yet, so I'll open it here and let you guys see. And just a fun tip, I guess, about Chiney K. I used to wear nails, but because I do so much work on a computer and I edit, it's the clanking on the keyboard and moving around, it bothers me and it slows me down when I have to do work on a computer or when I edit. So I really, most of the time, do my real nails. They wanted to know, but for the most part, I just always do my real nails, so I go faster when I'm editing on the computer. All right, so before I open the new AirPod, let's open this adapter that I got. Why did my fit like put on so much? Okay. And this I got from Amazon, and I want to say it was like $20 something, I think. Okay, so here it is. And this is basically it. Yeah, this is basically it. So you pop it open like so, like that. And it has the charger port, similar to the charger that you would use for your Mac. And it has all the slots that you would need, which would be like the slots that's on this computer. So it's on here because, like I said before, it's not, there's nothing on this computer. So it goes like that. So it's pretty convenient and I can't wait to use it. I just haven't used it yet for some reason, but it slides right in here. Hey, come on. Oh, right in there. And it basically reads anything that you put, you know, in this thingy right here. So it's definitely for somebody that like me that, you know, does a lot of work on social media. It's great because it's on the go and it come with, that's something here, right? So, what do you call this again? User manual. There you go. This is my case for my AirPod. I do currently have like an ear thingy in it. The earpiece is in the room somewhere, but the first one, I don't even remember how I lost it. If I left it in a hotel room while I was traveling or some shit, but I lost it and I was pretty upset. And by losing it, I mean like lose the AirPod itself. Like I have like 3 cases and, you know, I lost the AirPod. Bought another one and then I had it. And actually my friend, I tried to like make up for 2 when my friend lost one of hers and I lost one of mine. Actually, I remember where I lost it. I lost it at a color factory in New York. That's where I lost one. And then I met up with my friend in Atlanta the one time and she had lost one in Trinidad. So I was like, oh, well, give me your lost one and I'll see if I can match it up. And then it didn't sync because it was like 2 different, what do you call them, something there, like one met before one. You know, Apple always change them things. So it never sync. So that couldn't work. So then I have like her empty case at my house. And so then the other one that I bought when I was here in 2019, like last year sometime, last year was in 2019, 2020, I was here at Ben's and I lost one. I lost the left ear. And so when my sister, she actually went, oh, this is just a crazy story. When my sister went to the color factory to see if she could find my other earpod, they were like, oh yeah, here it is. So they gave her an earpod. They gave her a right one, but that right one wasn't mine. So I was like, just tell them say yours anyway, and I'll see if I can match it. Well, the right one was damaged. So when you call me, I couldn't hear from the right one, but I could listen to music and stuff like that. But if you call me, we still have to put the phone on my ears. And I think that's something that I cannot stand. Like, if I'm busy up and down, like I'm talking on the phone, I'm doing something else, it's just easier for me to use the, you know, the AirPods so I can multitask a bit better, especially like when I'm driving and thing. So basically I have a, you know, I can't find the left one. My mom couldn't find it. My sister couldn't find it. So, and I'm back now. I still can't find it. So I'm like, all right, whatever. So I was like, you know what? I just need to buy another one, which is another $100 and something. So I bought another one. So let's unbox it. All right, I got Ben's letter opener here. Let's see if we could unbox this together. Let's have the paper on it same way. And I purposely saved this unboxing for you guys. Ooh, it feels so nice. Okay, let's open her up. Ta-da! So it comes like that, designed by Apple in California. You take it off like this. I think this is the, let me see how it is. Oh, it's the booklet and one bag of things. Basically shows you, I think, how to pair your, you know, your AirPod to your Apple device. And I think from what I've heard persons say that the AirPods can be used on like Samsung and Android phone and thing as well. I wouldn't know about that anymore. This is so cute. It was actually free, and you know your girl believes in branding, so I got, oops, I mean take it out. Oh, bitch, I actually got a cord with it. You know what? Hold on, before we get to the branding, right? So when you take out your AirPod, you pop this out and you get a charger in it. I didn't know that. So like this charger doesn't, I don't even know if it works with a phone here. No, this charger doesn't work with this phone that I'm shooting on, but it works with this one. Or maybe it works on both. Actually, I lie, it works on both. Just the edge parts right here is different. But I'm not mad at it because I keep losing Apple chargers and I'm lucky for another one. So I'm not mad at it, and I have hella heads, paws, like, you know, the base parts. I can't even, but you know the base part. I have hella base parts that I can use it. All right, back to the AirPods. So it actually says Jolifairehair on it. Can you guys see it? That's so sweet. And then wrap it up in a tape, and then something there. I think you have to charge it, but usually when you buy Apple products, it come with like a little bit of charge to help you get started, and then you know you go home or whatever and then you charge it fully. Bitch, look at this brand new AirPod and the engaging, we call it engravement. It's not really engraved, but the printed thing on it, you can see it right there. Wait, is it focused? You can see it like this, right? It says Jolifairehair. You guys know I'm all about branding and everything. And then you open it up. Wait, ta-da! 2 brand new AirPods. And if I lose these, I am going to lose my shits. I'm going to be so upset. So I'm really excited about that. It's blinking white. Can you guys see the blink? Yep, there it is. It's blinking white, and that's at the moment you're supposed to hook it up to your device. One thing I like though with using the AirPods, like if I have the AirPod in my ears and like this phone rings, it automatically connects to this phone. If I'm off this phone and I'm using this phone, it automatically connects to that. And I could set it to where it connects on my laptops as well, which is great because I could use it for editing when I want to tune out, you know, outside, or if I'm editing in public or whatever, it's perfect. So, you know, I have 2 cases, or I already have a case, I should say. So let me just go ahead and switch it. So just take that out real quick. This one's kind of like messy, dirt and everything, but there's nothing wrong with this case, you know. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it besides it's a little bit fuzzy, but you see it, see it's green. I don't know if you can see it, it's green. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the case, so I'm definitely keeping the case. And we have this here, but I'm actually not going to put it in right now because I need to just to clean this out, sanitize, wash it, because you know it's silicone, so like a fuzzies each on it. But this you could actually buy at just buy it on Amazon. Pretty much any kind of accessory or whatever you need, you just buy it on Amazon. And I was gonna buy my Apple AirPods on Amazon too, but then it's the same price, and sometimes you don't really know where I get from Amazon. So if it's the same price or like a few dollars more or whatever, it's best to just order it from the source, just in case you're shit out of luck and get some bullshit, because you know people on a computer sell foolishness, right? Right. All right, so yeah, that's it for this unboxing of my Apple products, so to speak. Let me know if you like more videos like this, and I'll definitely do it. And you know, my bad for being MIA on YouTube for a while. I've just been so consumed with just throwing up like short TikTok videos and more on my Instagram. But definitely, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like it and share it and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, bye.